How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram right here, and from in there you can see my page. So just click on your profile icon on the bottom right here, and it will redirect you to your profile. So from in there, just click on the three lines on the upper corner, click on settings and privacy right here. So just click on that, and here you can see your settings and privacy. So when you scroll down, you can actually see the dark mode. So what you need to do is to just search for it. So let's click on search right here and search for dark mode, and you will see the dark mode option right here. So let's click on it. Now, as you can see, the dark mode has been turned off. So let's click on this right here in order to enable it and turn it on. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to enable dark mode on Instagram. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.